Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Bangalore Mom Life. In this video, I'm gonna show what I eat for brunch and dinner. Last week I have started doing intermittent fasting, so I eat 2 meals a day. I am not dieting for weight loss, but I want to practice to eat healthy. As I have a heart failure, I don't want to risk it by doing any kind of diet. I eat normal food with some extra nutrients added like eggs, chicken and vegetables, also fruits. Let me show you what I eat the entire day. Here I am making breakfast for the whole family. So for the kids lunchbox, every day I have to cook variety of foods. So today the menu is chapati and beans palya. I am making masala for the palya to enhance the taste. I roasted some peanuts with garlic. Also, I'm adding grated coconut. I ran out of red chili, so I'm using chili powder here. But if you're adding red chilies, roast it with peanuts. In a kadai, add oil and splitter mustard seeds and curry leaves. I use more oil in my cooking. I think that it's okay to use more oil than to eat in hotel. Now I'm adding 2 cut onions and fry till the onion cooks. I don't use green chilies as it causes gastric. I have been completely avoiding using few items which causes gas and heartburn. Here I am adding washed and cut beans. It is better to cut beans in this size because it's easier to cook and yummy to eat. I'll close the lid now and allow it to cook in low flame. When it's done, just add the masala that we roasted and grinded already. You can use this masala for many vegetable recipes. It really enhances the taste. Finally, garnish it with coriander leaves, and the tasty and healthy beans palya is ready. Here I have already made chapatis for the lunch box and breakfast. I'm closing my fasting window at 10:30. First thing I'm having is my coffee. Usually I don't eat biscuits, but today I wanted to have some. As I'm not doing this diet for weight loss, I don't have any food restrictions. So here is my breakfast plate: 3 chapatis, beans palya, eggs, carrot and leftover sambar. I eat in more quantities because I don't want my BP to spike high or get low. Nowadays, I enjoy to cook and eat it peacefully. For the dinner, I have taken 250 grams of chicken breast and marinate it with chili powder, turmeric powder, 2 spoons of coriander powder, and little bit of pepper powder, also curd, and little bit of garam masala. I gave it a good mix and stored in a fridge for few minutes. Today I am making radish sambar. This is one of the easiest sambar and I think everyone knows how to cook. But still, here's the recipe. In a pressure cooker, add oil, splitter mustard, onions, curry leaves, and I have taken only 2 green chilies. When it gets cooked, add tomatoes and crushed garlic, salt to taste, turmeric powder, and red chili powder. I forgot to add sambar powder here, but later I have added that too. When the tomatoes get soft, I have added radish. As I am doing this sambar in pressure cooker, I have not pre-cooked the dal. So I am adding dal. Here I have taken masoor dal and moong dal. As tur dal also causes gas and heartburn, I have completely stopped using tur dal. Lastly, pressure cook it for 2 whistles. For the chicken, I am using butter. I didn't want to wait till the butter gets melted because it will get burnt. I also forgot to add ginger garlic paste to the marination and it still tasted very yummy. I have also added a little bit of water. The chicken was cooked in like half an hour. Then I added a little bit of mozzarella cheese. The sambar is also ready. Fiona and Paris are also happy today because the fish tank is all cleaned and fresh. I had to go for grocery shopping with my mother, so I got ready. After coming back in the evening, I lighted the diyas.
Excuse me.
As I am doing intermittent fasting, my eating window will close by 6 pm. So I quickly headed to the kitchen and made a ragi mudde for myself. The recipe is very simple. I take 1.5 glass of water for 1 glass ragi flour. Firstly, you have to mix 1 spoon of ragi flour to the 1.5 cup of water. When it comes to boiling stage, you have to add 1 cup of ragi flour and mix it until the lumps are gone. After mixing, I'm allowing it to like steam cook for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you have to check it. If it sticks to your hand, then it is not yet cooked. If it doesn't stick to your hand, it is cooked. Then you have to just wet your hands and a plate and give it a shape like a ball. This is actually a super food. Although it is not my favorite, I eat it because it is healthy. Here's how my dinner plate looks like. Rice, chicken, mudde, beans palya, sambar and mango. The main improvement after changing my diet is that I don't feel sleepy anymore during the days, and visibly I have been very active these days. That's it for today, guys. If you are interested in my videos, please like and subscribe. If you like to see more of these simple and healthy meal recipes, please let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.